Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time here, I'm Oma Click. You are highly welcome. To my returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back to watch again. Today I want to share on how you can start up a YouTube channel with your phone. Okay, so in this video I'll be taking you step-by-step process how you can start up this channel. If you are really interested, please sit back, relax and stay through this video. So the very first thing on my list is for you to create your channel. All you have to do is to create your Google account, and once you have created this Google account, it will directly move you into YouTube if you log in into your YouTube app. So I have already dropped a video how you can create this channel using your Android phone. So the very first thing you need to do is for you to decide on what your channel will be all about. For example, you might decide to start up a cooking channel, a faith video, just like people that are preaching or preachers or ministers, or you can decide to make channel to be beauty channel where you can style, or fashion channel where you can create videos about how you dress up. So decide on what your YouTube channel should be all about. So the next one on my list is for you to bring up brainstorming videos. If you don't have idea, I would advise you to check out various YouTube or YouTubers and check out how their video is. So that's how to have a brainstorming video. Check out and take a look from their own videos and create your own video ideas. Okay, so after this brainstorming video, the next one on my list is for you to schedule on when to post your videos. That is scheduling your plans. Maybe you can decide to post Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, if you can be able to do that. Okay, you can decide to drop videos every Wednesdays or every Fridays. Which one that suits you, it's okay for you. Okay. The next one is for you to film yourself and upload this video. Then after recording and filming yourself, before you have to do this, you have to first off design this your YouTube channel, which include an intro description where you can create a YouTube banner, and you can also create your YouTube profile and YouTube banner, which can be a picture of you or what your channel is all about. Another one is for you to describe what this your channel should be all about. So this is the next step you have to take before you can start creating and uploading videos. Okay, so the next one is for you to look out for editing apps like Canva, UCut, CapCut. There are many of them you can look out for your editing software, depending on the kind of computing system. If you are using your phone, you can as well download Canva, UCut. If you're using your desktop, I know that many of us, we don't have access to desktop. Okay, so now after creating this video, right, next one on your list should be you should create a thumbnail. This thumbnail is an eye-catching thumbnail that can describe what your video is all about. This thumbnail can help to bring more viewers to you. So you creating a thumbnail brings more viewers and make your video more interesting for the people that is going to watch this video. So after all this, your YouTube channel is set, and I'm looking forward for you to start up a YouTube channel. If you are watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please darling, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all on my next video. Bye.